So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come on this website www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the driver. Then right hand side this is search button to enter your model number of your motherboard H510M S2V2 and then hit enter. Then click on the subject. Then click on support. Then select your operating system, which is you require Windows 10 and 11. So both installations process same. Audio driver, audio. This is audio driver size and click on download button. See, this is downloading start. It is completed. Just open it, double click and find out setup.exe. Just double click it, then click yes. So this error, it will not come to your system. Okay, and then close it. Chipset. So try to this one and click to download. And completed. After that, open exe.exe setup.exe and then click on yes and then click to finish, close. Then this one, just click to download button. It will start downloading. It is completed. Open, double click to launch, then click yes. After that, you can see this is start installations and completed. LAN driver, Realtek LAN driver, click to download. Completed. Then open, double click to launch, double click to exe and then click to yes, then ok and then close. Then VGA driver, VGA and click to download. It will start downloading. So it is completed. Just open it and double click to exe and then click on yes. So now this is installing. So it is close means this is installed.